actually. You know, being digest for like so long, we learn tricks like, oh, just taking it down so I can see. Why make your life so hard, right? Sometimes it's quite painful because this might be a ulcer or anything. A bit of tissue here that doesn't want to budge. How's your other toe feeling? We're doing a nail removal deep into your skin, and it's called a little tiny kind of like corn shape, kind of a piece of keratin. So you have a little tiny kind of hole there, but it's not an ulcer or anything like that, but we'll put a plaster over it just to separate that area. Zoom in a little bit if you can. That's the hole. That's a little bugger that's massive and a bit annoying. It's all clean and clear. Okay, thank you.